What's going on, guys? So today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can optimize your Windows 11 operating system by debloating all the built-in apps comes with the Windows operating system by Microsoft. Using this bloatware application, Microsoft track our activity on our Windows computer. So in this video I'm going to show you how to debloat your Windows 11 operating system with just a single click. So further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open up your Microsoft App Store. Then click on the search bar and search for an application named Bloaty Nosy. Then click on this application and install it on your Windows 11 computer. Okay, you can see the application has been installed. Click on Start and search for Bloaty Nosy. So this is the application. Here you can see the version of this Windows 11 operating system I have. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to click on this Analyze Windows 11 build version. Click on this button and it will detect all the bloatware application installed on your Windows 11 operating system. Here you can see the list and the sensitivity of this application. Here you can see there is a notification called there are 33 features we don't like which should be fixed. So if you want to know the details, click here for the details. And here you can see which application will get removed for your Windows 11 operating system. Now to remove all of them or debloat your Windows 11 operating system, click on Fix. Then click on Apply Fixes. Then click on Yes. Then it will ask you to accept the license agreement. Type here Yes. Then press Enter. And it should start debloating your Windows operating system and remove all the bloatware application for your Windows operating system. Here you can see the fix is completed. Now see the details. Click here and you'll see the details. Like this, using this Bloaty Nosy application, you can easily debloat your Windows 11 operating system. Now here you can see the fresh look of your Windows 11 operating system. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you're watching a tech tutorial and I'm signing out.